Hey guys, it's Bobby from Mangiarelli Rehab. Today I just want to talk a little bit about gait training when it comes to a lower leg injury, even a little bit more specifically with the knee. So if you've had knee surgery before, you understand that getting your walking back can be a little bit challenging, and especially if the knee or the ankle is really stiff. So today I'm going to show you what we kind of work on with patients here and what you can carry over to at home to help correct your gait. So a lot of times, I would say majority of the time after knee surgery, your knee is going to be stiff, and you're going to have a really hard time be able to step and bend your knee, okay, and be able to clear your foot. What you'll see a lot of times is when people go to walk, they'll kind of lift their leg around to kind of compensate because they don't have the range of motion within their knee. So that's why we bring in some training aids here to kind of help train the knee to be able to bend itself. So what I'm going to do here is I got the hurdles, and everybody who starts is going to be a little bit different. This might be a little too tall for somebody. We might have to start with something a little bit lower. What I'm going to have them do is I'm going to have them work on stepping over and clearing the hurdle, striking their heel for normal walking, put their foot down, and then push off their toe, clear the hurdle, strike their heel, okay, until they get all the way towards the end. Okay, so we're kind of programming the knee to be able to swing through as opposed to swinging around, okay? And like I said, depending on how stiff your knee is, the level or the height of the hurdle is gonna change, okay? So, eventually that will become a little bit easier. Then we would have you try to step over, step over, step over, trying to re-emphasize heel strike, bringing the knee over top the hurdle and pushing off the toe. Now, what else we'll try to work on too is going backwards. So what we'll do here is we want to kind of work on straightening the knee in this instance. So a stiff knee can also be when we bend it, but also when we extend it as well. So what we'll do here is step over. I'm going to strike my toe, and then I'm going to squeeze my quad. Tight, 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 straighten the knee, step over, okay? So as you can imagine, this can also be a challenging balance exercise as well, okay? So again, I'm stepping over, striking my toe, I'm squeezing my quad, keep everything nice and tight, squeeze my hip, and then stepping over, okay? Same thing, we could step over, reach, step over, okay? So we challenge the knee going both ways, and then eventually we start to get the knee to do what we want it to do, and that's to correct your gait. So come see us if you're having issues with your gait or if your stiff knee or whatever it is, and we'll be happy to work with you.